Today we will be making an animated AI influencer because people have now taken it to the next level. But here's the problem, most of them fail, and the reason is simple. If the character doesn't look and feel real, everything falls apart. Over the past few months, I've spent a lot of time testing different methods to build an AI influencer that not only looks realistic, but also stays consistent across hundreds of posts. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to use free AI tools to animate a consistent AI influencer, how to make your influencer interact with your product, and how to take things to the next level using Fanvue. Before we jump into creating and bringing our AI influencer to life, let's quickly talk about the advantages of having an AI influencer. Creating an AI influencer isn't just about designing a visually appealing character to post on social media. You're building a digital presence that can consistently represent your brand online. One of the biggest challenges many creators face is visibility and audience connection. Sharing content without a recognizable face can make it harder for people to relate to your brand, remember it, or engage with it over time. And for many creators, appearing on camera personally isn't always practical or comfortable. An AI influencer helps address this by giving your brand a consistent identity, the same look, the same style, and the same presence across every post. Over time, that consistency helps build familiarity, audience trust, engagement, and brand recognition. Instead of starting fresh with every post, your content becomes easier to produce, easier for viewers to recognize, and more effective at communicating your message. For example, an online seller who creates clip art designs can visually apply those designs to their AI influencer's clothing. A wall art seller can show the influencer holding the artwork and presenting it naturally. This allows you to go beyond static product images, letting the influencer visually interact with the product, which can help capture attention and encourage interest in your online store. But the benefits extend beyond that. I came across a platform that allows creators to offer exclusive content to their audience using an AI influencer alongside their existing online products. This platform is called Fanvue. Fanvue is a platform where digital creators, including AI influencers, can share additional content with their audience and receive ongoing support from subscribers. Now imagine this setup. You offer your clip art designs through your online store or Etsy, while also growing your AI influencer on social media. From there, interested followers can be directed to Fanvue. On Fanvue, your AI influencer can share extended or alternative versions of your design packs that are available specifically to subscribers. This approach allows Etsy to serve buyers looking for individual digital downloads, while Fanvue helps you build a more engaged audience that supports your work through continued access to content. If you'd like a detailed PDF that explains this entire setup step by step, you can find the link in the description or the pinned comment. Now, to create a realistic animated AI influencer, I'll be using 3 AI platforms: Ideogram to generate the AI character and maintain visual consistency, ChatGPT to apply designs to the influencer, VO3 to animate the influencer into video. To begin, we need a detailed prompt for our AI influencer character, so I asked ChatGPT to generate a high-quality character prompt. Once I had the prompt, I pasted it into Ideogram, selected versions 3.0, set the design style to realistic, and made sure prompt magic was turned on. Here's the result I got. Next, I selected character in the reference section so the AI could reuse the same face in future generations. After that, I entered another prompt asking the character to wear a plain white top, and these were the results. Now, to apply design to the AI influencer, I used a design style that's currently gaining attention on Etsy. I generated the design using Magic Media in Canva with a custom prompt. The next step was placing the design onto the clothing. I imported both the AI influencer image and the design into ChatGPT, then asked ChatGPT to position the design onto the character's shirt, and this is the result ChatGPT produced. To animate the character, I used VR3. First, go to deepmind.google and select model, then choose VR. After that, click open with Flow, sign into your Google account, and select Start New Project. Next, choose Text to Video and switch it to Frame to Video. Click the plus icon to upload your AI influencer image. Select Portrait, scale it to fit the frame, and click Save. This is where you write a prompt describing what you want your AI influencer to say or do in the video. One simple approach is to upload your image into ChatGPT and ask it to generate a short video prompt where the influencer introduces the design she's wearing. Once that's done, copy the prompt, paste it into VR3, and this is the result.
I'm loving this heart design on my shirt. Simple, soft, and full of good vibes. What do you think?
After creating your designs with the AI influencer, the next step is setting up a dedicated Instagram page for the character. Use the page to showcase your designs in each post and include a link in your bio that directs viewers to your Fanvue page where they can access additional content. With this approach, you're building visibility across 2 platforms using one streamlined workflow. Finally, I hope this video helped you see new ways to expand beyond Etsy and explore creative options alongside your digital products. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.